Comes to the page number 5. Next topic is unicellular and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organism, as the name indicates, uni means one. Unicellular organism are those organisms which have only one cell. Example, amoeba and chlorella. Second is multicellular organism. Multi means many. Multicellular organisms are those organisms which are made up of large number of cells. Example, human body. Human body is made up of billions of cells. Got it? On page number 5, now comes to the next topic is tissues. What is tissues? Cells of same type usually group together to form tissues. A living tissues is made from a group of similar cells which all work together to do a particular job. Here are some examples of tissues from plants and animal. First is epidermal tissue. Epidermal tissue, where it is found? It is present on surface of leaves and other parts of plant. What it is made up of? It is made up of sheet of flattened cell. Flattened cell means जो बिल्कुल flat होते हैं, plain होते हैं. The next, what is the special job or function of the epidermal tissue? It protects the plant from damage and prevents it from drying up. Next tissue है photosynthetic tissue. Photosynthetic tissue, it is present on leaves and other green parts of plant. What it is made up of? Photosynthetic tissue is made up of palisade cells which have lots of chlorophyll. What is the job or function of the photosynthetic tissue? It makes food for the plant. Third is supporting tissue. It is present mainly in the plant cell. As the name indicates, these kinds of tissue supports the plant. What it is made up of? The cells have thickened wall. What is the job or function of the supporting tissue? It supports and strengthens the plant. Next is epithelial tissue. It is present on the surface of the animal's skins and lining the tubes and other spaces inside the animal's body, including the mouth. What it is made up of? It is made up of sheets of cells. What is the job or function of the epithelial tissue? It protects the structure underneath. Okay, the next is muscles tissue. It is present in the limb and in the wall of the certain organs. What it is made up of? It is made up of bundles of muscle cells. What is the function of the muscles tissue? It contracts or brings about movement in an animal cells. The last one is nerve tissue. It is present in the brain and spinal cord of an animal. Spinal cord is connected with your brain. It is behind the neck portion. What is it is made up of? A network of nerve cell. It is made up of a network of nerve cell. What is the function or job of the nerve cell? It carries messages from one part of an animal body to another part. Students, now comes to the page number 6. Our next topic is organs. What are organs? Cells and tissues are organized into larger body parts called organs. An organ is made from a group of different tissues which all work together to do a particular job. The heart, lungs, stomach, intestine, brain and eyes are example of organ in animal. While in plants, the root, stem and leaves are organs. So it is also called as a part of the flower. Got it? Okay students, on page number 6, our next topic is human organ system. First you have to know about what is organ system. Do you know what is organ system? It's okay, I will tell you. A group of organs that works together to carry out a certain job or function is called organ system. There are different type of organ system present in the human body. First is the skeletal system. The skeletal system supports the body and protects certain delicate organs. Next is excretory system. The excretory system removes waste chemicals from the body. Third is circulatory system. The circulatory system moves blood around the body in order to transport digested food, oxygen, carbon dioxide, urea, hormones and heat. Next is digestive system. The digestive systems break down of food material into a form that can be absorbed into the blood. Next, respiratory system. The respiratory system puts oxygen into the blood and removes carbon dioxide and water vapors. The last one is nervous system. The nervous system controls many of the body activities. These all are the organ system that are present in the human body to perform their particular job. Okay students, now comes to the page number 8. Our next topic is plant organs. Do you know about the organs of plant? Who can tell me the names of the plant organs? Yes, think about it. It's not that much difficult. Okay, I will tell you about the names of the plant organ. The first is flower, second is stem, third is leaves and the fourth is root. These are the organs of plant. Flower is the reproductive organ of the plant. Why it is called reproductive organ? Because the reproduction is occur inside the flower. Many flowers attract insects which carry pollen between plants to bring about pollination and fertilization. What is pollen? Pollens are the small spores that are present inside the flower. These pollen grains attract the insect which bring about pollination and fertilization. What is pollination? Pollination is a process in which the transfer of pollen from stamen to the pistil. Stamen and pistils are the parts of flower. Got it? And fertilization is a process in which reproduction occurs. The second is stem. What is the function of stem? The stem usually grows upward. In an upward direction, it grows towards the light. It carries water and mineral salts to the leaves and food around the plant. This is a function of stem. What is the function of leaves? The leaves are the organs of photosynthesis. As you people all know that the process of photosynthesis occur in leaves, because leaves contain chloroplast and chloroplast contains chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment and it gives green color to the plant. They make all the food for the plant. Leaves are the food factory of the plant where the process of photosynthesis occur. Next is root. What is the function of root? The root anchors the plant in the soil. Anchors the plant in the soil means it holds the plant in the soil. The root hairs provide a large surface area to take in water and mineral salts from the soil. The root hairs absorb or take water and mineral salts from the soil and transfer it to all parts of the plant. This is all about the plant organs.